Start karu?
Yes, rolling.
Namaste, I'm Ritika Khitnani, Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2021.
Ritika,
Time, I believe, women have been confined to the four walls of their homes because that was considered the preconceived notions according to the societal norms. But today, women have proved themselves time and again, not that they should have, as front runners. I believe women have paved their way beautifully, not just in entertainment, not just in entrepreneurship, but in politics as well. And today, women are being recognized, women are getting those ton of opportunities, but we still have a long way to go when it comes to equality. I believe we need women empowerment so that we need equality, and we're getting there, even though we have a long way to go. But it just has such a positive influence when you see incredible women paving their way, being pioneers in true sense, and that makes it, just beautiful.
what do you would you like to do something on this subject?
When it comes to human rights, I believe women's rights are human rights. Human rights speak about equality, and I'm going to, put light when it comes to women empowerment again, because as I said, women's rights are human rights. Women deserve equality. Women deserve the right to practice the choice of their profession, inequality, decision making, opportunities, pay, economic and social freedom. And that is what is the need of the hour today, sir. I believe that is what should be given more light, and we should all, not just women, but as men, as every individual, work towards it. I believe men can be an absolute ally in empowering and uplifting women, not just at home, but in the workplaces as well. And what a beautiful world would that be when we all looked at each other with utmost respect, dignity, and equality, because that is how God made us. Born and brought up in Pune, to making me this confident, absolute extrovert person. And the vibe of this place is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. Pune is a very beautiful city, and it's made me the person that I am today, with not just the schooling, not just the classes, but the people as well, because the people are lovely and they treat you as their own. And I've been extremely fortunate to have had such an amazing upbringing here in Pune.
Which personality interests?
Interesting question. To me, it always has been Priyanka Chopra. She's not just Bollywood, but Hollywood today, #global domination. And she is this woman that I've always looked up to. Utmost amount of respect. I think she's navigated through tough terrain, has stood up on her feet, and how, and she's just so unfinished, she's still so unstoppable, so limitless, breaking stereotypes, breaking the glass ceiling, and she's inspiring every individual. She's motivated me, and I believe nothing is impossible when you look at her. So she's our very own Desi girl that I love, and she's my role model.
What are your advices for teens who wish to come in this sector?
I've always said it, believe in yourself, because when you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you. Age can never be a barrier. Be fearless, be confident, be unstoppable, because that is what truly matters. Stay true to yourself and celebrate every moment that comes your way. Grab every opportunity, back it up with your 1000%, and have a heart full of gratitude.
What unique?
Independent. That is something, a true value, a virtue that I absolutely admire, because she transformed me into a woman that is so independent. And in this day and age, with due regard in a world full of men, because my mom brought 2 children up from scratch, and seeing her stand up on her feet with nobody's support, being independent, being ambitious, working so hard, has influenced my life and completely changed and transformed my life.
Thank you, ma'am.
in Sri Shant Gadge, that's in Kondwa, and I was teaching the underprivileged children, right? So what an absolute honor. And that is when that experience completely changed my outlook towards life, to see things with a silver lining and to not take things for granted, because someone will always want where you are, someone will always want what you have, and just to have a heart full of gratitude, to always have a positive outlook, to not complain, to live each day like it's your last, and not take life for granted, because we as individuals today take life for granted because we get everything so easily. And looking at those little kids taught me to celebrate every moment, keep that inner child alive, and always have a positive and simple outlook towards life.